You might check Pitching Tiny V. Yes, indeed. We got DJ Project on the ones and twos. Want to say a present good evening to all the Belizeans, all visitors, all friends and family from near and far. We're about to start the program, so get ready for a week, a night of full entertainment and culture. All right? Isoka, DJ Project, Tiny V.
It's sweet, that is what I have been balling out. Hey. It's sweet, that is what I have been crying out. It's sweet, too much sugar.
We have a huge lineup for you this evening. We have Document inside the building. We have Hui, we have Garif, we have King Rancho, we have Mr. Fix, we have the 501 band, we have Only for Entertainment, we have some DJs. As well, we have Easy B all the way from Easy B, where you come from? Roaring Creek. Yeah. We have DJ Gil of the Fire also. We have DJ RBZ. And we have the mighty DJ Cool who also. Yeah. Big up.
Yeah, tell somebody. This is how we do it out here. I feel like bouncing crew. Bouncing!
When Document hit the stage, when King Rancho hit the stage, all the way from Rancho to Lawrence. I want to say, put your coffee back down, the same thing I'm going earlier, but what's here?
Hello, Belize. All the way from Las Vegas, Nevada.
Everybody look good out today.
Yeah.
Everybody got
Sure.
on this Sunday best. I like it. Looking good.
Sunday best.
Yes. I mean the visit to mommy. Me to mommy on the visit. Only there for the day. Going back tomorrow, back like we are. Looking nice. Make the road. No. What? Where the concert ability going on, nothing?
We are here to provide information on the services we offer at the consulate and how you can access the services. And we also have materials and release that we are sharing.
One question, when these services such as you could renew your passport at the consulate or no?
Yes, you can.
And where is the consulate located?
4801 Wilshire Boulevard,
Oh,
Los Angeles.
Oh, it's still there for a while now. Okay, good. Same place.
Yes.
All right, cool. Nice. So a lot of services are there.
Yes, these are the services we offer.
Okay.
We have this list right here.
Oh man, he brother, the beat up and he get the thing done right there.
Yes, man. Right there.
It must have easier to the consulate. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the thing right there. Sit down and come out. But
And then, in order to access the service, you need to send an email to this email address.
I will take a hold of this and I'll put it on the screen later on.
Yes.
So people get access to it. Thank you very much.
You're most welcome.
I like it. Everything I like. Yeah, you do it. You got t-shirt. Man.
DYFA and Zane production going on here. There's AKA Catalina in the house. DYFA for life. Yeah.
That's it, man. Keep up the good work out there, man. Lots of work, a lot of printing.
Yeah, a lot of work.
Good.
You see that one there? Savage. Yes, sir. He the man right here. What's the camera?
Even Camela?
What? And the best thing, and the best thing, the people that love it, like, I don't know what. Hey, it's the #1 shirt.
So I guess you don't like Trump. Anything else about Trump? I want something about Trump.
Hell no.
So yes. I want a Trump t-shirt.
Remember about it, 2P? Remember about it? 2P. Original. If man want to buy this, cancel it. 2P, kid. Now you got no price on it. Price list. I can't get it back from 2P dead. 2P gone left with. Yeah. Are you ready for me?
I take a break.
Nice to see you again.
Yes, I. Bless up.
All right. Yeah, hi,
Yeah.
Just say hi to the people back home.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. That's up.
Take care. Yeah, man. Yeah,